Greetings from this wonderful nature in the Svärdsö Nature Reserve in Solsidan, Nacka municipality. It is a wonderful 20th of May, and this is one of my favorite go-to spots on the sea, especially because just 200 meters in that direction you can also be on the open sea. And depending on the direction of the wind, you can choose the spot to chill without the wind. Because currently here it feels like 30 degrees because it is not blowing any wind, especially when the sun is up. Yes, this is obviously a spontaneous nudist beach spot here in the beautiful nature. And it's quite amazing and stunning indeed. I did take a swim earlier today on the open sea. It was quite nice in the water, I must say. Unfortunately, I don't have the water thermometer with me today as I forgot it at home, but the water feels like it's around 15 to 16 degrees, which is amazing. So I plan to do a longer swim here actually. I came here today by public transport. This location is located around 20 minutes of walk from Solsidan station that currently it has traffic both by the light rail, which only goes to South Hoyerla with a change, and there is a bus to Glasbruksgatan in Slussen. Just look at how beautiful the water is. The sea looks stunning. Such a wonderful sunny day, even though with clouds here and there appearing. Beach number 36 is today, and today there will be 2 episodes. This is the second. I have been also doing some dances here on this particular location. It's very nice. And yeah, what else? I'm also feel like I'm going to get sick, but I'm still hanging in quite there. Not sure if you can hear it from my voice. It's mainly due to the week in Vienna last week, where I barely got any sleep. So it felt amazing these 2 days to get 8 hours sleep each. I need to sleep actually more to to recuperate for the loss of sleep in Vienna. Okay, now let's hit the waters and go in for a swim. I really feel like it's going to be amazing. Also from this end you can jump as it is. I see it is very deep. The water is so clean and see-through as well. It's super amazing. That's the sign over there, the white line. Denotes that this is a nature reserve and special rules apply to protect the nature, of course. Amazing. Okay. Here we have also some small seashells here on the rock and also inside the water as well. Just look at how beautiful it is. It's stunning. It's stunning. I love it. I usually come here by bicycle actually. It's around 20 kilometers from my home. I usually come around with 50 minutes, which is actually faster than taking the public transport. Okay, so Chris is ready for a swim in the sea. So we are then ready to enjoy, and then ready, set, and go! I love it. I believe it is around 15 to 16 degrees, definitely. Amazing. Now we are coming to the times where I will be longer in the water and for longer swims, which is quite amazing. So yes, with this wonderful view of my beach spot for today, it's time for Chris to wrap up and enjoy more in the sea. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.